In today's video, I am going to teach you how to avoid spam Klaviyo. We are going to walk through a setup step that helps Klaviyo properly recognize your sending domain. When your domain is configured correctly, it can improve deliverability and reduce the chances that your emails end up flagged as spam. To begin, open your Klaviyo account and look at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click the area labeled with your company name. This is usually the main navigation menu for your organization settings, so it is the starting point for everything that follows. After you click the company menu, you should see options related to your account. Next, click Settings. Take a moment here to confirm you are in the Settings area, because that is where domain and sending configuration lives. Once you are in Settings, scroll or locate the section for Domains. Click Domains to move into the Domain Management screen. This part matters because Klaviyo uses your domain information to connect your email sending activity to the right records and authentication settings. Now that you are on the Domains page, you will see an option to add a new domain. This tells Klaviyo that you want to set up a sending domain, which is the key piece of information Klaviyo uses when sending emails on your behalf. Next, you will be asked to choose from a category of options. Select Marketing. Next. Choosing marketing is important because it sets the context for how Klaviyo treats the domain for your marketing email sending, rather than other types of configuration. After that, you will be taken to a screen that includes a field for the sending domain. In the Sending Domain field, type your sending domain, then click Next. Make sure you enter the domain exactly as you intend to use it, because accuracy here helps avoid verification issues later. With the sending domain entered, Klaviyo will ask you which DNS provider you use. Choose your DNS provider and click Next. This step matters because the verification process requires you to add records in your DNS settings, and the instructions can vary depending on where your DNS is hosted. At this point, you should be almost done. Klaviyo will prepare the final information needed to complete the setup, and you will be able to finish the process from there. Click Finish to complete this part of the workflow. Before you wrap up, it is a good idea to briefly check that you have reached the correct final screen. You want to confirm that Klaviyo has successfully accepted your sending domain and that it is showing the next actions clearly. Even though our instructions end with Finish, your goal is to ensure Klaviyo can verify the domain through your DNS records. If everything looks correct, you can proceed with whatever Klaviyo indicates next after this point, such as verifying your domain through DNS. The important part is that you have now completed the core setup steps inside Klaviyo, which is what helps reduce spam labeling and supports better deliverability. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.